quick. No. So I gotta get knowledge. Hey, I'm here with old school, right? 79 years old, right? I told y'all, me, I mess with OG. I see all these young people out here. Here's where I'm at. So look here, man. You don't owe these guys any question, man. Do it too. You first came to the game, man. What was it like, man?
It was very good back in the day. Very good because we didn't have all the other competition. We didn't have everybody want to try to prove a point to one another. Gotta raise hell for no reason. You know what I'm saying? We did what we had to do. We supported those that needed it, those that didn't have it. Look, we went to them. We went to them, we gave them vouchers. We did a lot of different stuff. Clothes. Now we did stuff to help our communities and stuff.
Okay. So, man, you see what's going on the set now, man. So, what advice? Like, I don't know, you know we coming out 100, right? What advice will you give me that I can take to my club to make us better?
The only thing I can say about that, to make it better for you and your club, y'all stick together better than permaphone. All right? Because stick together, help those that need it, that's in your vicinity and whatever. Okay. Because look, we only, if you look at all that one, it ain't nobody but what?
That's right.
What you see out here is only what?
That's right.
You see a few of them, but you want to make sure that we see about one another.
Wow, that's powerful.
You know, that's where we all grew up.
That's right.
You know, a lot of us grew up in projects and things, but we helped out one another.
So, okay. So, hey, OG, listen. One thing I can tell you the Hunter's gonna do, we're gonna do our charity. We're gonna help out our community. I promise you that. Matter of fact, we got a community in Atlanta. We got bros in Atlanta. We got bros in Brother Roberts. We got bros in Hinesville, which is Mother Chapel. We're gonna do this.
You got to.
So, what else, bro?
Just keep your brotherly love solid, man. Keep your brotherly love solid.
Hey, listen, 100. Keep spending on the money. Keep your brotherly love solid. You can't do that much, bro. You cannot go wrong with your side.
Good part about that is when you say keep your brotherly love keep your brotherly love solid. That means that keep your brotherly love down to 100. You can't keep it down. You're good. You'll be a better person than you.
Hey, man. I appreciate you, bro. Hey, this is what I do. I told y'all. I don't just go on TV, YouTube, and learn this shit. I learned this shit by talking to OG and been through this shit. If they've been through it, he been riding for 50-some years. Hey, he can't do nothing but guide me the right way. And like I told y'all, 100, do it the right way and you will be successful. You do it fucked up, you're going to be like other people fucked up. Word. $100.